What's going on, guys? Today we are here at Bluffdale Skate Park in Utah, and I'm gonna set up this new board. It's just a shop deck, you know, nothing too special, but gets the job done. So let's get into it. Start taking off the plastic. Don't litter, because we love this earth.
Hell yeah.
Put it in the bag. Alright. The only grip that is worth it. Mob M8.
Give them a sponsor.
Not too grippy. Yeah, sponsor me. Not too grippy, but not too rough at the same time. Just the right amount. Just line it up. Edges. Some people do it differently. I like to start from one end and go to the other because it helps with air bubbles. And then we're gonna take this sheet, put it on here, go as hard as you can. That's what she said. Ugh. Seems about good. Alright. In my personal opinion, this silver skate tool is the best tool for the job. If anyone has yet to invent a new one that's better, then my opinion shall change. Edges. The more you do it, the easier it is to cut. It's a little brittle because it's cold outside, but that's okay. It's still shaking. Make sure the grip is fresh because I've had it peel off the board. As in, like that. Alright. That seems about good for now. So what I like to do is I like to make 4 little cuts on each edge. This one kind of already has one, so I'll just leave that. Alright. And then you're just gonna kind of peel it up a little bit, like that. This part needs to be sanded a little bit more. Oop. Oop. When you feel it slipping or lifting up, that's when it needs to be filed just a little bit more. Don't cut yourself. Use at your own discretion. And you're just gonna go around. You wanna kind of keep it at, like, I don't know, angles. I'm not good at school, but
that's why we're out here.
you just kind of want to keep it along the edge of the wood so that it's nice and flat. And if you find it hard to get kind of underneath it, just lift it up a little bit. That'll solve your problem. Just go along. Like that. There you go. You're gonna want to save these pieces. I'll tell you why later. Same thing for the other side. Just make sure you kind of keep as close to the wood as possible, otherwise you'll get a little bit of overhang. The overhang can be fixed though, just like that. Alright. Let's keep going. There you go. And then, what you're gonna do with these pieces that you saved, just push them together like that. You're gonna wanna sand the edges. This is so it doesn't peel up. Very important. Talking to you, Zoomies. Sand it to your desire. More isn't gonna hurt, but less isn't gonna be good. Like, you want to sand that as much as possible. And I like to sand the tip and the nail and the nose.
Yeah.
Just so that it's not too grippy. And then I like to do this, or find the nose, and then do this, where I flick my kick flips, and where I flick my heel flips.
And why do you do that?
I do that so that it's easier to drag my toe along the board, and so that it doesn't get stuck, because new grip is really grippy. So there it is, and then I just take a bolt from my hardware, take the skate tool, just pop it in, pop it out. Alright. Now you're just going to want to put the bolts in. Alright. I usually like to get a silver bolt or a gold bolt for the front, but you know, and this time being, I stopped by a skate shop that was in the area of where I was, so you know, we do with what we do. Alright, scrub the truck, make sure you hold the back. What you want to do is finger tighten all these bolts on.
Beautiful Utah out here.
Gotta love it. Gotta love the views.
Yeah, and we're in a little crater right now.
Yeah, we are.
In a ditch.
It's a good hill to bomb too. Alright, that's one side done. Now we just got the other side. Kind of slow at this, but there's no rush. The skate park is waiting for us, you know. It's waiting and it's patient.
It's patient. And the winds died down.
You know, I've been waiting all winter, so I can wait a few more minutes. You know? That's the thing about Utah, it's never warm. Except for maybe a few months, and then we go back to winter territory.
I personally love it.
I personally love it too, but
Actually?
just because it's a nice change, you know? It's a nice change in pace.
And we're gonna go to the bank spot
Yeah, it's gonna be
when
fun.
the sun goes down.
We're gonna test out some spots, skate park, get a few lines. It's gonna be a good old time, so
Might have to stop at McDick's. I'm gonna be hungry.
yeah. Alright. What we want to do is just tighten it. That's what's nice about this silver skate tool, is it has a ratchet on it. Just move it back and forth. I prefer Allen key if you get this tool, because it tends to hurt your fingers if the bolts don't go in right. It's kind of a shame that I snapped that deck, because I had it for 2 days and it was a birthday present, so it's kind of a shame.
It's a pretty one too.
Yeah. It is a pretty one. That's what was the biggest shame, and it's, I don't know. I met Nicole Haas one time, and she was really nice, actually. Kind of shy, but
I don't even know who
you
that
know,
is.
she's one of the up and coming pros. It's kind of nice to see girls in the sport, because for a long time, that's not how it was. You know, everyone should be skating. Old, young, girl, boy. You know?
I'm gonna go on a rant right now, and you can clip this, but I was doing some research, and when you're hitting your 40s, 30s, 50s, when your body's starting to slow down,
Yeah.
action sports are actually the sports that you should be going to build knee strength and
Yeah.
like keep your body as healthy as it is.
Yeah,
It's not football,
'Cause,
it's
I
not
don't know,
basketball,
I've
it's
noticed people
snowboarding.
my age who don't skate, their knees hurt. Like a lot of them, when they're like bending down and stuff and like standing all day.
And there's some of them are basketball players,
Yeah, and
soccer players.
I don't know, man. It's just good for your body, your mind, your soul. Skating is a way of life. It's in the blood. You never lose it. Even if you quit, you never quit because it's in your brain. And just like, you know, it teaches you a lesson to just like get back up and never give up, you know? So, anyways, that's the board. Looking pretty slick. It kind of doesn't match my trucks
get a
because they're
close-up?
green, but
Shout out.
yeah. It says roses are red, curbs are too. Slappy for me, slappy for you. So, pretty vibey. Let's see if it skates good. Let's get it. Didn't see you there. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe. Comment on what I should do next. And I'll see you next week. Get out there and skate.